new construction.
Made it makeshift.
A makeshift
selfie stick
tripod.
camera thing going on here. It's absolutely fabulous, but it means that we don't have to stretch our little arms out.
Yeah,
So
you can just hold it.
Easier.
So it's Saturday the 20th of October. It's nearly November.
And it's not that cold.
No, well I have got 2 jumpers on.
But there's not a cloud in the sky apart from some airplane trails. And we are off to gym class.
We're going to KXU for the first time using E-squared app where you kind of just put your location and then you book a class.
We are literally obsessed with this app at the moment.
Yeah.
And this isn't even like a paid thing to say, like, I'm loving it at the moment because I'm in between flats, so I cancelled my Fitness First gym membership and I'm just using that to find classes to go to.
So handy.
It's so handy because it's like, does it your location, you're like, oh, where can I go for the gym today? I mean,
it's good for people that also don't live in London but are just visiting, because you can just sign up and you get your first class free.
That's so true.
And then, yeah, you just basically put your location. It tells you all the studios around London that you can go to. It tells you the prices, and it's on like the map with all the different prices. So depending on how much you want to pay.
And you can also filter it by what type of class you want.
Yeah.
Do you want a HIIT class? Do you want a boxing class? Do you want a bar class? So far, I've done a Pilates class, a reformer Pilates class, which was sick. A bar class,
a
boxing class, and a abs and ass class.
It's such a beautiful day in London, so it's about 9 o'clock in the morning. We set off early this morning, walking through Hyde Park to Sloane Square, and we are actually celebrating our 3rd birthday today, which is exciting.
Well, it's actually on Wednesday.
It is on Wednesday, but we're having a fun day out.
We're having a day out to celebrate.
Basically eating and drinking our way around London.
Yeah, it's going to be fabulous. We are actually literally doing it all around London, because after here we have to head all the way over to Canary Wharf, and I mean, if you're not from London, you know that's like the furthest out of like London
it actually
you
is.
could actually go. That's where all
so funny.
Bankers
but it's so dead at the weekend.
Yeah, it's quite quiet and nice. To be fair, it would have been a well good place for a photo shoot, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
And there's no one there to stare at us.
Perfect. First day wearing a bobble hat. We just went into Foxton's because Rachel's moving house, and she had to give her passport, and the woman was like, "You look like you've just stepped out of a magazine." I was like, "What, Zara Kids?"
Jokers.
How funny.
Too funny.
I'm actually quite toasty though.
Oh yeah, I'm well nice and warm.
In the sun, it's really nice. We were just saying it's colder in London, but I think it's because the sun wasn't out. Hey, little blackbird. That's not a blackbird, is it?
Is that a magpie? I don't even know. Look at it, it's like hobbling.
Oh,
it is. It's got like little limbs, like hello.
Oh my gosh, it can't walk properly. Bye, little one.
Bye.
Oh, so cute. Oh, right, let's get our skates on.
Oh look, there's a running club. I really want to join a running club, but it's so expensive, and I think, why do I bother to join a running club?
There's the ones that aren't.
Yeah, there are. In Clapham, the Clapham Rangers, or the Rovers and the Runners.
Let me find out.
You have to pay it, and I'm like, why would I pay to do something that's free?
Yeah,
so yeah, not about that life.
That looks like an actual race, but I think it is a running club.
Oh no, it looks like a race, because look, someone's in like fancy dress.
Yeah. What race though? On a Saturday? Maybe it's park run.
Yeah.
Do they do that in Hyde Park?
Probably.
Amazing.
Oh my God, it's probably park run.
That's so cool.
Why do you do fancy dress park run though?
I didn't realise how low the planes got in London. It's quite close to Heathrow. Are they going to City or Heathrow?
Shall I tell you?
Yeah.
With my app.
Get your app out.
Get my plane finder app, you geek. It's like lions. No, this isn't park run.
No, it can't be park run.
It's like an event.
Shall I show you?
They're all so young. It looks like a university of them.
That's amazing. Oh, you can't really see, but there is loads of people running. Beautiful Hyde Park.
Oh, it's this.
Come on then. Where's it going to?
It's going to Heathrow and it lands in 8 minutes. It's come from Newark. I'm guessing Newark's in America, right? Newark.
I thought that was in Nottingham.
No, because it left Newark 6 hours ago.
Oh yeah, it must be then. There is a Newark in Nottingham as well.
Newark is in New York, I think. Yeah, I think so.
New York is the #1 place on my list I want to go to.
Oh my gosh, can you imagine if we got a free trip there? That would be sick.
That would be sick. Right.
That would be amazing.
We better get our skates on. We'll see you at KXU. Woo. We've just been to KXU. How was it?
It was amazing.
We did the boxing class.
I wish I was rich, and that could be my local gym.
£22 a class. That is expensive. That's more than Barry's. Yeah, it was really hot in the changing rooms, wasn't it?
Yeah. short was.
It's not that cold today though.
No, I don't actually even feel. I feel like I'll probably want it
You'll
later.
need it later, yeah.
I'm just carrying it for now.
So now we're off to Sloane Square Station. We're going to hop on the tube and go to Canary Wharf and go for brunch. So
I am super hungry.
yeah,
so this is going to go down. Well, I've already picked what I want, so win-win all round.
let's go.
Let's go!
Be vlogging my food because someone over there has already tucked in.
Oh, so
It looks amazing now.
It's delicious.
Is it like battered or breaded?
Like breaded, actually.
And then Rachel got a 5-a-day juice, and I got an avocado, mango, and orange smoothie thing. Thumbs up.
And a green juice.
Oh, green
I was
juice.
going to go for the 5-a-day.
Green juice. Thumbs up. Get that shot.
This view is stunning.
In the sunshine. Hey, London. What are we doing now?
We are walking to St Katerines Dock, which is literally like there, I think.
Yeah, that walkie took. Well, it's
Where they I know where that really ugly building is. I think it's behind there. That really like dark brown building. We're going for pasta. We're super excited to take homemade pasta, Italian food. We had a nice light blunt brunch, so we were prepared for our pasta. And also, I'm really hot in this jacket. I'm sweating.
our new
Also,
embroidered jackets.
These jackets we got from.
These got our names on the back.
We do. We got these from what was it called? Happy Place Live with Fern Cotton, and then this company, I can't remember their name. Sorry, they put embroidery on it for us, which was cute.
Love
That's
it.
it. Yeah,
Love
very
it.
cute.
Let's go.
Let's bounce.
To St Katerines Dock.
We haven't really picked the most British view. Maybe we'll go
I
to the
know,
other
but
bits,
look, it's
but
still
cute.
nice.
It's amazing. We're here an hour early.
We're here an hour, yeah, an hour.
We don't know what to do,
early.
whether to go in and see if they've got a table for us. It's quite small.
It is quite simple. I reckon he said 3:30 because that's when they probably start to get a bit quieter. Like it's
Quieter.
quite like lunchtime and stuff,
Yeah,
or
so
like a
we'll
late
just wander
lunch.
around and see. There's no shop around here. So.
No, I mean we could always take a walk up.
We could go over the bridge, couldn't we?
Yeah.
We could walk back
It's
around.
Cafe
St.
Rouge
Kath-
over there.
Should we walk back around Katerines Dock and then
Yeah. Is that
just
it
see.
around there? That little like square that you can park?
yeah. You can park that way and then you head to the river.
Oh, let's do
So we
that.
can walk around there. That's fine.
We'll go have a look.
Yeah, a little wander.
Oh, that place looks nice. Bravas. Lovely. I've not been here in years. Like I don't think I've ever been here to be fair. Right. Oh look, it's nice. Isn't it? Look at those deck chairs over there.
We went on that. There's a festival on, a boat festival.
Did you? Look at it, it's so bright. So nice. Look at this spread, and this is just the starter. What have you got?
Favourite thing, burrata with ciabatta.
What have I got? Read it out. Finely sliced
Shola, which is
Cured
and then
beef.
rocket and parmesan salad.
rocket and parmesan salad. Do try some of that.
I really want to try your beef.
There's loads. Yours looks like a poached egg, doesn't it? I've never tried burrata. Get that shot. delicious meal at Emilia's handcrafted pasta.
It was amazing. I'm stuffed at the brim.
We had a starter, as you saw, and then we had pasta, which was delicious, and they offered us dessert. But we were too full, so we had to turn it down. For the first time, we had to turn pasta. What are we getting ringed at here? Move it over. Welcome. We are now on our way to the train station, 15-minute walk to go home. Rachel's got a wedding this evening and I'm going to go and chill in my pyjamas to start.
I put on my pyjamas on.
No, you'll have fun.
Oh well, I'm excited.
And I'm going to go and write some blog posts.
Yay.
They're everywhere.
No, it was copyright. We're still yet to try it, aren't we?
Yeah.
Oh well.
Right.
It's all good. Have a nice rest. Are you ready for this?
The time of day has come where we need to end our vlog.
Just stop training for today. This is the right time.
And
sign off.
hopefully we'll be back again on Wednesday for a midweek vlog when it's our birthday. And maybe Thursday we might do a joint one.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Let's do that.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe. It means the absolute world to us. Love ya.
Bye.